In the heart of the Whispering Woods lived a small unicorn named Luna. Her coat was pale as moonlight, and her horn glowed with a soft silver light. Luna was curious and gentle, but she had never seen a storm. Every time she heard thunder in the distance, she would hide behind the tall ferns and wait for the sky to calm. One evening, dark clouds rolled in faster than ever before. The wind howled through the trees and branches snapped like small lightning bolts. Luna's heart thumped with fear as raindrops began to fall. She trembled, wishing she could be safe at home. But the storm was too close, and her little hooves carried her deeper into the forest, away from her cozy clearing. Suddenly, a loud crash shook the ground. Luna gasped and saw a fallen oak blocking the path ahead. She shivered and lowered her head, unsure what to do. That's when she heard a soft whimper nearby. Behind a bush lay a baby fox, its paw caught under a branch. The fox's eyes were wide with pain and fear. Luna's fear faltered. She knew she could not leave the fox alone. Bracing herself, she planted her hooves firmly in the muddy earth and used her glowing horn to lift the branch. With a gentle push, the branch shifted and the fox scampered free. Luna carefully nudged the little fox into a hollow log, sheltering it from the rain. As the storm raged on, Luna wrapped her tail around the fox and whispered, "You are safe now." The fox curled against her warm coat and closed its eyes. Luna felt a spark of courage grow inside her chest. Though her sides trembled and her silver horn flickered, she stood tall until the thunder passed and the rain slowed to a drizzle. When dawn broke, the sky turned soft pink, and the forest seemed to smile again. The baby fox bounded out of the log and nuzzled Luna's leg in gratitude. Luna realized that true bravery wasn't about never feeling scared. It was about helping others even when fear was all around. From that day on, Luna faced every storm with her head held high, knowing that her gentle heart and brave horn could light the darkest night.